The white shirts of Rain or Shine with first possession, but they cough it up immediately. It was a 3-on-2 para dito sa Bay Area, and it is
with it, but they have to put in the points.
Lamb to Nicholson. Ayun na naman yung double team. Kobe kicks it out. Blankley lights it up.
They were able to confidence builder yan para kay Andre in this game.
Santillan gambling. Three-pointer, binawi agad ni Blankley.
The Blankley has been shooting very...
Yang against Asisio. Nicholson with a pick. Yang on the move. Gives it up to the corner. Blankley punches it through.
No, he's been a steady three-point shooter.
Blankley with Yang, Zhu, Lamb, and Nicholson. Blankley inside, right over Pearson.
That was a great back pick given by Glenn Yang. Aggravation, Rain or Shine can easily just penetrate. Ang problema, pag nag-collapse yung depensa ng Bay Area, itong grabe si Hayden Blankley. Kanina pa mainit from the...
Tapos na turnover pa siya. Let's see if they can come up with a stop. They go inside to Blankley again.
Talagang namimiesta to si Hayden Blankley. That's why he is very active around the basket or even from the three-point line.
Third personal foul yan para kay Ponferrat. Yang to Nicholson this time. Blankley, they want to ride his hot hand. He goes to the twirl. 8 for 9 for the from.
Those are the best looks that you have. Talagang hindi lang ma-convert ng Rain or Shine.
Backdoor play, Blankley again.
Wala na, he's just going on a tear right now. He's just going with the flow.
They go right back to Blankley. Si Gabe na yung bantay niya.
What
Inikutan ni Hayden.
Yun ang maganda. Re-respetuhin ka talaga. Ganda nung galaw dito ni Zhu Songwei. A lot of great pivoting. Good read here by Hayden Blankley. Mahal naman ang bentoris na eh.
Yun. Nakakabawi yung ikaw yung pinanshare niya na lang ka. Nakakabawi naman.
Manager na lang tayo, di ba? Commission na lang.
Blankley ayaw nang tumira. Ayaw yata masira yung kanyang...
Ayan na.
Okay pa rin naman eh. Okay pa rin.
Huwag mo kasing papatiin because lahat is more of a hard worker and really focuses more on the rebounding and defense.
How about Phoenix? They had Miyerkules. Dikdikan ng bursa. Third quarter, biglang sumabog yung Ginebra. Hindi na naka-recover yung Batang Pier.
Yes, you have to play. When you play Ginebra, you have to play, all
years ago. Tungkol doon sa nangyari nung araw.
Oo, sipin mo. Ibinalik pa yung nakaraan.
Palapit na po yung 2-minute warning. Kasi yung laro bukas, kung may extend ng either Converge o ng Northport yun, Wednesday pa yung magiging game 3 niya. As Blankley